Hey, welcome back to McG Farms. Get to have a little fun today doing some bush hogging. I got a field out here that, as you can tell, is pretty high, so we'll try to bush hog that. It's about 3, maybe 4 acres at the most. And before we do that, we're gonna just push mow around the shop a little bit. Have this electric lawn mower. I've been kind of enjoying the lawnmower. It takes a couple of lithium batteries. This one here is by Yardworks. Probably got it at Lowe's. That's fine, you know, you don't have to worry about gas or anything like that. You just charge the batteries up and it goes. This one's 18-inch cut, which for a small yard is fine. I got a little bit more of a yard to mow back here, but the front works great. But I tell you what, after a while, it kind of gets to be a lot. So maybe someday I'll get a riding mower just to have around the shop. So anyway, I'll do a little mowing. Once the batteries are dead, we'll get out the tractor and we'll do some bush hogging. Okay, we did some mowing. The battery is now dead. So that's time to have some fun now and get the bush hog out and start working on that pasture. Saw something moving in the grass. Got a painted turtle there, box turtle. Luckily, doesn't look hurt or anything, so I'll try to get around him, get in front of him, make sure I watch for him a little bit. Definitely don't want to hurt those guys. All done. Check the gas real quick, but I'd like to kind of tractor back down the trail a little bit. It's not really built for tractors, but we'll see how far we go. Thanks a lot, guys. We got the field all mowed. Took the tractor down the trail with the bush hog, which was a lot of fun. I didn't know if it would make it or not, but we put a lot of work in those trails earlier on this year, and I think it paid off. So shows you what you can do if you just maintain your property a little bit. Makes it a lot easier, a little bit at a time. So anyway, this is another episode of bush hogging. Next time, we got lots of things still to do. Still got to maintain the tractor a little bit, more trails on the south side of the property that we didn't make it to today. But we'll get those next time. Hey, we'll see you later. Thanks again for watching McG Farms.